Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into the world of graphics cards with a look at the PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB. This card boasts impressive performance and a custom cooling design. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. The PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB features reference clocks, which means it offers the same specifications as the RTX 4090 Founders Edition. While some may prefer overclocked models, this card provides reasonable power consumption without sacrificing performance. It's up to 50% faster than the previous generation RTX 3090 Ti in gaming, and excels in professional workloads and AI tasks. Pricing has been a concern with the RTX 4090, as it initially started at $1,599. However, we're starting to see some positive changes, with prices dropping below $2,000. The PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB is available on Amazon, and there's even a non-RGB variant for about $50 less. Although we're still above Nvidia's starting MSRP, we're moving in the right direction. Hopefully, prices will continue to become more reasonable in the future. When it comes to competition, AMD's offerings, such as the RX 7900 XTX and XT GPUs, fall short of the RTX 4090 level. There's a significant gap between the RTX 4090 and the next step down in both Nvidia and AMD cards. Despite not having the Titan branding, the RTX 4090 effectively serves as a replacement for the Titan series, offering exceptional performance in various applications. Now, let's talk about the PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB specifically. This card features a custom cooling design that works well to keep temperatures under control. While the overclocking options may be somewhat limited due to locked power consumption, this card still delivers impressive performance. If you're looking to save some money and don't require a few extra percentage points of performance, the PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB could be a great option. It offers identical specs to the Founders Edition and provides reasonable power consumption. Saving a few $100s on an extreme performance graphics card is always appreciated. To summarize, the PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB is a powerful graphics card that delivers exceptional performance. While prices are still relatively high, we're starting to see improvements, making it more accessible to enthusiasts. If you can find it in stock close to MSRP, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you prioritize power consumption and reasonable performance gains. That wraps up our review of the PNY RTX 4090 XLR8 RGB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.